Hey friends, today I'm making one of my favorite cocktails, a margarita. But not just any margarita, a margarita inspired by one of my favorite plants, the Shangri La Pothos. And if you've seen that plant, you probably know it looks like a shishito pepper. And yes, I'm gonna be making you a shishito pepper margarita. So the first thing you need to do is you're gonna need to take some shishito peppers and you're gonna have to get them perfectly blistered. So what I did was I grabbed an 8-ounce bag of shishito peppers and I brought them into my kitchen to blister them. You're gonna need a cast iron pan. Place that cast iron pan on your stove, crank that heat up, get it real hot, and while it's getting hot, you're gonna take your shishito peppers, place them in a large bowl. You're gonna take about a tablespoon of grapeseed oil, toss that all over those shishito peppers, get it nice and oily, and once that cast iron pan is perfectly hot, toss your shishito peppers on top right there and let them sit there. One even layer for about 4 minutes. You want them to get real hot and blistered on that one side. After that 4 minutes is over, flip them all over, let them sit on that side for about 2 minutes, and after that 2 minutes, turn everything off, put them all into a nice little bowl, and then you're gonna take some of that perfectly beautiful flaky salt and sprinkle it right there on top, and they are ready to serve. But before your friends start to dig in and eat them, you wanna make sure you are using these for your cocktails. Now, once you have your shishito peppers ready to go, the next thing you need to do is you need to make the drink. That's what it's all about, right? You brought all your friends over to make this drink. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna grab a lime and then you're going to cut your lime. And I'm gonna cut this in half. Gonna nice cut just like that. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dress the glass just a bit. I'm gonna add a little lime juice just to the edge so that I can salt just a portion of my rim. Boom, perfectly salted rim. Now, I'm gonna take my limes and I'm going to juice a full lime. You're gonna need a full lime for this recipe, but unlike other recipes where you're just basically juicing them and then tossing the stump, I'm gonna drop the stump in. Yeah, I know it looks a little crazy, but that's what we're gonna do here. We want all the oils in this lime to come out in the cocktail. At least that's what I was told, right? So we're gonna drop that in there. You have that gone. Now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take 3 shishito peppers. We're gonna cut the tails off, and then we're gonna take those, we're gonna add those shishito peppers to our shaker. Now, we're gonna take our muddler, and we're gonna muddle it up down in there. Beautiful. Get all of those oils mixed in, the peppers, the lime, really mixed in together. Really put some pressure on it. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add your Blanco tequila. We're gonna add 2 ounces of Blanco tequila. Now we're gonna do 1 ounce of orange liqueur. And then a teaspoon of agave nectar. Then you're gonna fill up the shaker with ice. And then shake it up. Ah, that is cold, real cold. Now we're gonna strain it into our glass. There we are. Oh, look at that beautiful color. You got your peppers in there, you got the lime in there. Summer ain't over, baby. Boom. That's perfect. Now you're gonna take one of your shishito peppers, take out a nice little pick as such, and garnish it on the side of your glass. And there you have it, your blistered shishito pepper margarita. Let's see. Wow, that is amazing. Honestly, I had never made this drink before. That is so good. I don't think I'm ever gonna have another drink other than this. Wow. Oh, it's perfect. Make sure this summer, before summer ends, during the summer, the entire summer, you are having your shishito pepper margarita. Remember, inspired by the Shangri La Pothos. For the full recipe, I will actually leave that in the comments. And if you do try it out, let me know what you think. Please subscribe, stay safe, and stay wild.